Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Agrawal and today we are going to Toronto downtown as it's a red zone right now here and there's nothing much that we can do in the lockdown. But yes, Christmas market is a must thing to go, must place to visit. So there are decorations all around और हम लोग बस वहाँ के लिए निकले हैं. So guys, keep watching, we'll show you around. Hi, so we are right now at a street. It's called Inglewood Drive. This is one of the most famous attraction of Toronto. So if you guys are looking which place you should go for Christmas without paying anything, you don't have to pay anything. It's just a drive through, which is amazing. House here, in front of every house they have decorated beautiful Santas and the lights. So like Diwali is for us, similarly Christmas is that important for them, for here the people of Toronto, and it's absolutely beautiful. So guys, this is something that I would really like you to not miss. So it's Inglewood Drive. Please go and visit this place, and this is something you should definitely not miss. Bye. Hope you guys have enjoyed watching this decorations of Inglewood Drive. So now our next stop is Markham, and the beauty of Markham, especially during the Christmas, it's beautiful. So you can see all the shops are decorated, whole street is decorated. We are at Unionville Street. It's beautiful. So if you want to feel that Christmas vibe, this is the place you should definitely not miss. Please check it out. It's Markham, Unionville Street. Keep watching. Hope you guys have liked today's vlog, and keep watching, and please subscribe our channel, and Merry Christmas in advance. Bye.
काफ़ी ज़्यादा ठंड हो गई है तो आई थिंक इट्स टाइम टू रैप इट अप. टेक केयर, बाय बाय.